Hey, welcome back to Wildcat Guitars. Just got a box in from PRS, so let's open it up and see what we got. I literally have no idea what this is. Yeah. Oh, gorgeous. Custom 24. It's like Custom 24 Piezo. I'll go out on a limb and say that's Red Tiger. Gorgeous top. Very nice, very strong flame. Looks like it goes all the way to the edge. Let's check out the back. Some gorgeous mahogany back. Match the red top. The gold tuner buttons just really kind of set it off, you know. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous top. This is just a core, it's not a wood library. I mean, that's amazing. I love the hybrid hardware. It's just a very, very strong flame. And it's got the Piezo pickup in it, so you can do all the acoustic needs you need too. Want to come check this one out?